A lot can be achieved through simple prompts, but in our previous video, we showed you how you can up your prompting game with the help of end-short prompting. And today, we are going to take our prompting game to the next level. In this video, we'll discuss the limitations of end-short prompting and how to fix them using chain of thought and self-consistency prompting. So let's get started. Zero-shot prompting is great for basic work. And when that doesn't work, few-shot prompting comes into the picture. Compared to zero-shot, it allows the model to utilize its pre-trained knowledge while benefiting from minimal task-specific examples, resulting in more accurate and relevant responses for a given task. However, there is an issue with the few-shot prompting. It does not perform well when it comes to arithmetic, common sense, and symbolic reasoning. And here we need to bring in chain of thought prompting. Let's see what this is all about. At its core, chain of thought prompting is all about guiding the LLM to think step by step. This is achieved by providing the model with a few short examples that outline the reasoning process step by step. Once it is done, the model is then expected to follow a similar chain of thought when answering the given prompt. This approach is particularly effective for complex tasks that require a series of reasoning steps before a response can be generated. It basically encourages the language model to explain their reasoning process along with the response. This technique has been found to significantly improve the model's performance on tasks that require complex reasoning. Let me show you guys what it looks like. As you can see in the first standard prompting, where we do not explain the answer in the first question, the response is incorrect. But when we use chain of thought prompting and explain the reasoning behind the answer, the response that follows is correct. Similarly, we can use this particular prompt to see how chain of thought prompting works. Here we are trying to count the number of chickens the farmer John has. And we do this by giving the model examples of problems in which we count number of eggs. This prompting techniques increases the effectiveness of the prompt and the result you are going to get. Not just that, you can also do zero-shot chain of thought prompting. It is basically a follow-up to chain of thought prompting, which introduces an incredibly simple zero-shot prompt by adding the words "let's think step by step" to the end of a given question you are intending to ask. This is what it looks like. LLMs are able to generate a chain of thought that answers the question. From this chain of thought, they are able to extract more accurate answers. According to specific research, chain of thought only yields performance gains when used with models which have 100 billion parameters or more. Smaller models wrote illogical chain of thought, which led to worse accuracy than standard prompting. So models usually get performance boost from chain of thought prompting in a manner proportional to the size of the prompt. And then there is an issue with the naive greedy decoding used in chain of thought prompting. It's like you are trying to write a story one sentence at a time, and each sentence is based only on the previous sentence that you wrote, without really thinking too much about the fitment of this sentence into the overall story. That's what we mean by naive greedy decoding. And to solve for this problem, we have self-consistency prompting. Let's have a look at it. In real-life scenario, when faced with a problem, humans often explore different reasoning paths or consult multiple sources to arrive at a well-informed decision. Very similar to this, self-consistency aims to stimulate this process by providing the model with diverse perspectives and encouraging it to critically evaluate its own reasoning. By doing so, it increases the likelihood of generating an accurate and unbiased response. So simply put, self-consistency is an approach that simply calls the language model multiple times on the same prompt and takes the result that is most consistent as the final answer. This is what it looks like. As you can see here, the idea is to sample multiple different reasoning paths through chain of thought and use the generations to select the most consistent answer. And this helps to boost the performance of chain of thought prompting on tasks involving arithmetic and common sense reasoning. To summarize, self-consistency prompting is a sophisticated technique utilized in prompt engineering with the objective of enhancing the performance of language models when it comes to reasoning tasks. In the world of generative AI, prompting has become a bridge between large language models and practical language-based tasks. So next time, use these intermediary prompting techniques to improve your overall interaction with large language models. These techniques will get more complex tasks done for you easily with higher accuracy. That's all we had for you guys today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. See you in the next video. Bye.